Welcome to SMF Street. StockMarketFunding.com is home to Main Street. What we're showing today to our SMF Street trading staff, and everyone qualifies to get on that SMF Street trading staff, you can be there. Here's the thing. What we're seeing is what we call an intraday high count, and today is Tuesday, 8/17. And basically, we want this video in our library specifically for our traders and our investors worldwide, so that they can see on a light volume August day is that there isn't anyone around. It's very easy to keep this amount of equities on the intraday high count, which is good to learn that taking advantage of the tape is, so what if it isn't volume? They're just walking the prices. And we see that in our own system very clearly. Basically, stocks just go, there isn't any seller, but then again, there isn't a lot of buyers after they've made their move. On normal days, what I want the new people in the SMF Street Trading Division to understand, normal days, you saturate at prices on the high count list, intraday high count, but then you fall back in price because there isn't any buyers to push them through those resistance areas, naturally so. However, when we look at the Nasdaq comp intraday high count, these are the stocks that are up here. FFIV, there's quite a few of them. Priceline, Cree, Panera Bread, Wynn Resorts, lots of various. Google down here is still on this intraday high count. And with an options expiration, it's very easy, this expiration for the bulls anyway, to be able to get premium out of the market because all the big smart people are out vacationing, because that's what they're doing, but they will return in September. And basically, when SMF Street had revised the GDP, we put GDP at 1.5%. And we have that archive on our Stock Talk radio shows before Goldman or anyone else out here thought that we were even going to slow down. At the beginning of the year, we gave our forecast at year end. So what I'm just saying is that this high count list, what we're going to be doing, SMF Street traders, is as they take all the September put prices out of the market, those put prices for September, as they walk the intraday high counts, those become very cheap because they do. So we will position ourselves accordingly and take advantage of the back half of that deflated value in that option market for September as they walk the market long right now to get the premium out of the calls for August. We'll be buying back below the floor because all the risk, the dollar risk is at very low levels compared to where they were. When we shorted everything last week and we were buying the TYP and we were hitting those bear funds, they're on the homepage of the website. We knew when to come out because last week's haircut on all of the indexes and the tech sector is what we're having as a counter rally for the wonderful options expiration. So this is the call side. That's the intraday high count. Let's go to the NYSE high count. And let's see if we can take a look and see exactly where that high count is, which is going to be right here. And this is on the NYSE. And it's going to populate all of them for us. There's the net changes. All of these are NYSE, and NYSE stocks are all 3 digits. So basically the list goes all the way down here. We got CRM being the leader, or one of the leaders. We have let's take a look. McDonald's is in there, Caterpillar's in there, Las Vegas Sands, oh boy, it's in there. By the way, today's date just so happens to be 8/17 of 2010, and it's a Tuesday. We're going into the last hour and a half of the market, so basically the call side so far for the 8/20 to the 8/24 options expiration, which ends Friday, is that the bull side, the call side is getting some money here. And the opposite side of the market, which would be the put option side, is losing all the premium. So you're getting premium back in here from last week's selling. Shame on you if you didn't cover. Of course, we did cover. It was a nice 5 days last week for the bear side. Now we have a counter trend for the bull side in the options call expiration here. That's your intraday high count. One of the things that would lead the way would be the same culprits that we have on our other site. And one of the things that we're going to look at right away, very quickly, Dow Transportation that got hammered last week, hardcore. You had more selling here last week than you actually did the whole Dow 30 and this transports. And we have those videos live on our site.